Rica Mae Fuentes, and welcome to my Mathematics in the Modern World blog. For this video, I introduce to you and discussing to you the pattern and to enumerate the types of pattern. Let's go.
Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spiral, meanders, waves, poems, tessellation, cracks, and stripe. This plan shows of never-ending repeated pattern. Of bands or strips, often of the same width and color along the length. Its forms of stripes pattern, a series of bands of crack pattern, separation of an object to two or more spaces under the action of stretch. This pattern show a floral symmetry, which divide into mirror image parts. It can be determined by the position and shape of the firant. A soft bubble forms a sphere surface with minimal area. This pattern shows a repeated pattern around a fixed point. A symmetry paints the left and right sides look like each other.
Again, good day everyone, and thank you for watching. God bless.